Today we will speak about Custom Show Dubai, an amazing custom show Emirates in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The date will be for this month, March, starting from 10, 11, 12. Today we are in Crazy Car Care preparing the TREX 165, 165. Guys, we are preparing this one to make to arrange this one to be the champion of the custom. So TREX 165 from BMW, an amazing car. The team of Crazy Car Care preparing everything, cleaning, making, detailing, inside, outside, to put it inside the custom show. So guys, this one we remove for the chair. هلا حبيب القلب. We remove for the chair from inside because we are making detailing, and also we remove the bag, the two bag here. Yeah, the two bag, and we are making detailing full, guys, for this an amazing, I don't know, I will call this one bike or I will call it like a car. Is an amazing because the owner, he changed for the door, he put this one, he makes. We are now we are arranging from inside, making detailing, from outside we are making clay bar and the cleaning. After that we will do polishing, inshallah. This bike TREX 165 will be inside the custom show, and we and Crazy Car Care, they will be there inshallah ta'ala. Come. Yeah, guys, now, guys, we will start to make a polishing. We'll arrange for everything, guys. We'll start to make a polishing now. Yeah. هذه السيارة لازم تفسخ العالق قبل ما تدخل داخل. We finished detailing inside, outside, preparing this TREX BMW 165 to custom show Emirates this month, 10, 11, 12 inshallah. Please, we will give you, show them please, for all guys. This is an amazing car. This is from inside also, guys. It's an amazing, yeah. And look for this one, for the Jews, nice. I hope he will get number one, the champion of the custom show Emirates, Dubai, the center of the world. Yeah, guys. So So guys, totally finished. Now we will deliver it to the custom show, preparing. Thank you so much. Don't forget to make like, subscribe, comment and share. See you inside the custom.